the best outdoor pizza ovens that are worth your dough. If you love backyard cooking, having the best outdoor pizza oven could be a great addition if you are a pizza lover. Different methods complement the delicacy's signature taste, from brick oven pizzas to coal-fired pizzas. These appliances are portable, easy to use that help you make pizzas in great numbers and take less time, be it your backyard party or camping site. These ovens are easy to operate with a suitable power supply. Let's look at some top outdoor pizza ovens that you can bring home. We also list some factors you should consider while buying these ovens. Number 1. Best with double layered sealing. Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. The Italia Artisan Pizza Oven from Camp Chef comes in a durable stainless steel body and is lightweight, weighing 47 pounds. With dimensions of 30 by 19.5 by 18 inches, it is compact for top shelf mounting. The appliance is easy to carry and suitable for baking pizza, bread, and roasting meat, giving a brick oven-like performance. The oven's double-layered sealing helps improve the heat dynamics, providing a convenient cooking experience out in the open with a preheat time of 15 minutes. Its built-in temperature gauge helps monitor internal air temperature, and the oven runs on a replaceable 1-pound propane bottle. You can expect a maximum output of up to 17,000 BTU per hour. Number 2. Best with dual fuel burners. Roccbox by Gozney Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven. If you are looking for a portable fire and stone pizza oven for outdoor use, the Roccbox Portable Outdoor Oven from Gozney can be suitable for you. With a maximum temperature of up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, it helps bake pizza with a thin base and a puffed-up crust within 60 seconds. The outdoor pizza oven is easy to install in the garden, lawn, or other open spaces with retractable legs, and provides a safe cooking experience at high temperatures. Its inbuilt thermometer and detachable dual-fuel burners use gas and wood as fuels. With an insulated body and silicone outer skin, it can reduce the chances of skin burns while baking the food of your choice. Number 3. Best easy to install. OoniKoda Outdoor Pizza Oven. OoniKoda's gas outdoor pizza oven can be used for roasting meat, fish, and vegetables. The burners are easy to fire up, take around 15 minutes, and come with an easy-to-use dial. Portable and easy to install, you can bake a 13 inches pizza in this oven. The oven provides instant flame through built-in gas ignition and an adjustable dial for heat control. Number 4. Best in looks. Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven Plus Peel Combo. The charcoal and wood-fired outdoor pizza oven from Bertello has a classy black look and can cook at an upper temperature of 930 degrees Fahrenheit. You can affix a gas burner to it for stove-like oven cooking. Its deep cooking surface of 12.5 by 13 inches is ideal for uniform baking in an authentic wood fire oven style. It comes packed with wood chips, cordierite stone, and a wood or charcoal pellet tray. Number 5. Best for easy setup. Deco Chef 2-in-1 Outdoor Pizza Oven and Grill. The Deco Chef Pizza Oven is a 2-in-1 appliance that doubles up as a grill oven. It comes with a 13 inches pizza stone and 3-layered stainless steel construction that holds in heat and helps to reach a high temperature. With a mobile setup and simple assembly, it is easy to carry and store. It comes with several accessories, such as a safe handle oven door, removable tray for fuel, removable pizza baking stone, stainless steel pizza peel, and dough scraper. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.